Let's do another finding probabilities for normal distribution problem. So we have here a survey indicates that for each trip to the supermarket, a shopper spends an average of 45 minutes, an average of 45 minutes with standard deviation of 0.12 minutes in the store. The length of time spent in the store is normally distributed and is represented by variable x. Okay, so the shopper enters the store. Find the probability that the shopper would be in the store for each interval time listed below, which is itong dalawa. Okay, and then interpret your answer. If 200 shoppers enter the store, how many shoppers would you expect to be in the store for each interval time listed below? Okay, so first off, syempre, we would start with the first given, which is itong C, between 24 and 54 minutes. Okay, so let's first identify the givens. So we have here mean of 45 pa lang, 45 minutes, and standard deviation of 12 minutes. Okay? So, we are asked for an x of x1 is 24 minutes and x2 is equal to 54 minutes. Okay? So, if we'll do the normal distribution table niya, okay? So, parang ang mean ay 45. Okay? Tapos, it's looking for 24. Dito, 24 to 54. Malapit yun sa 45. So, 54. Okay? So, ito yung hinahanap niyang area. Okay? So, ano daw yung probability or area nitong part na to? Okay? So, convert natin siya sa standard normal chart. Okay? So, syempre, ang kailangan natin ay yung Z value niya. Okay? So, therefore, we have to compute for the Z value. Z is equal to your X minus mean over standard deviation. Okay? So, since dalawa yung X natin, so therefore, dalawa din yung Z computation na gagawin natin. So, let's compute for the Z1 and then Z2. So, Z1 ay X1, 24 minus 45 over 12 equals 1.75, negative 1.75. Okay, so it's here. Negative 1.75. Come here. Okay. Next, compute for the Z2. That would be same formula. 54 minus 45 over 12. 54 minus 45 over 12. Okay. So that's 0.75. Okay, so am I right? Okay, we're checking the values based on calculator. Okay, right naman. Okay, let's go. So, ito yung point. Mga malapit naman. Mga malapit sa 0 yun. So, this is 0.75. Okay, so ito daw yung area na pinapahanap. Okay? So, as stated before, dun sa previous discussion, pagka dalawa yung Z or pag in between yung hinahanap, kasi ang hinahanap sa inyo ay probability na in between si X ni 24 at saka ni 54. Okay? Or sa Z value, pag kinonvert nyo, this is looking for the probability na it is in between 1.75. Sana kita, hindi kita. Dito ko sa baba ilalagay na. Probability that your Z value is in between 175 and 0.75. Okay? So, therefore, we have to get the value of Z of 1.75. Let's get Z1 na 1.75 area. Okay? So, hanapin natin siya. Tsaka area ng Z2. Okay, let's get it from the table. Shifting your scene. Okay, let's look for the value. So we are looking for negative 1.75, negative 1.75, negative 1.7, and 5. That's 0.0401. Okay, that's 0.0401. Lagay ko na siya dun sa file natin. Next, V2 natin ay positive 0.75. Positive 0.75. Let's go down to the positive values. 0.75. Okay, so 0.75 is in here. 0.75 is in here. 0.7734. Okay, so we can now go back to our scene. So kung makikita nyo dito, nilagay ko na dito yung mga values, yung Z1, 0.0401 at saka 0.7734. So as made last time, so para makuha nyo yung value in between, so pag ma-minusin nyo lang yan, so that would be A2 minus AZ1. Okay, so therefore, your probability dito ay 0.401, no, baliktad. A2 muna. Okay, so 0.7734 minus 0.0401. So, huwag kayong mag-worry kasi re-realize nyo naman na mali kasi mag-negative yung area. And sabi ko nga sa inyo, wala namang negative na area in the normal curve. Okay, so that would be 0.7333. Okay. Or 73.33%. Okay? So, ito yung sagot nyo for letter A. Okay? Problema, may tanong pa siya for letter B. Interpret your answer if 200 shoppers enter the store. Okay? So, if in case daw 200 shoppers yung nag-enter ng store, ang gagawin ko, dito ko na ilalagay guys yung B, hindi na kasha. Ay multiply ko yung nakuha kong probability dun sa ilang shopper yung pumasok. So, that's 200 multiplied by 0.7333. That would be equal sa 146.66. So, dahil wala namang kalahating tao, automatically 147 na persons or shoppers ang ine-expect ko na mag-e-enter ng store with this probability or mag-stay within 24 to 54 minutes. 147 sila. Okay? Out of 200. Okay, next. So, let's just clear the screen para sa ating second part. Okay, so for our second part, so we have here more than 39 minutes. So let's indicate ulit again the given. Again, this is for your number 2. Indicate your given. Given is mu of 45, standard deviation of 12 minutes. Okay. Then x is 39 minutes. Okay. So it's actually looking for a data. Ito ang mean. Mean ay 45. Okay. Gusto niyang makita less than yun. 39 minutes. Ano daw yung data na ito? Okay. Ilan daw yung magsistay ng more than 39 minutes. Ilan silang lahat? More than 39 minutes. Okay? So, convert natin siya sa standard normal chart. Okay, so this is 0. So, syempre, kailangan nating makuha yung Z value ng 39. Okay, so let's compute for the Z value. X minus mu over standard deviation, xi 39 minus 45 all over 12 minutes. Okay, so calculator, 39 minus 45, negative 6 over 12, negative 0.5. Okay, so mga negative point, nandito yun. Negative 0.5. Okay, so ito yung hinahanap na area. Okay? And you all know na kapag tumingin kayo sa area doon sa table, kailangan para makuha nyo yung probability na x ay more than 39 minutes, okay? Or yung probability na ang z ay more than negative 0.5 is equal to 1 minus probability na z is 0.5. Okay? Z is less than 0.5. Okay? So, therefore, kukunin natin yung probability na yan. Okay? Kunin natin yung probability ng Z na negative 0.5. Again, guys, negative 0.5. Baka ako ay ma-deceive doon sa ating paghahanap sa table. Okay. Hanapin natin siya sa table. Let's shift the scene. Okay. Negative 0.5, negative 0.5, negative 0.4, 0.3085. 0.3085 daw. So, lagyan na natin siya. So, 1 minus 0.3085 equal sa 0.3085. 1 minus 0.3085. 5.6915. So, this is your probability. Okay? So, yan yung sagot niyo for A. Okay, for B. Siyempre, hindi na naman kasha. For B, okay, ang sabi daw, ano daw yung interpret daw the answer if 200 shoppers yung pumasok. Okay, kung 200 shoppers yung pumasok, ang probability ng mag-stay ng more than 39 minutes ay 0.6915. Ang total na tao na mag-stay beyond hanggang 13, more than 39 minutes ay 200 times 0.6915. 138.3. So, automatically, dahil wala namang 0.3, okay, or pwede nyo sabihin na 138, or some of us might be crediting it also as 139 na agad. Okay, so dahil tao naman ang pinag-uusapan. Okay?